Which of the following is not an equivalence relation on Z integers? So first one is given, A is related to B, that is A comma B, such that A plus B is an even integer. Okay, and let's check out whether it is a equivalence relation or not. First, reflexive case. A plus B is an even integer. Suppose if I take A comma A belongs to R, so we have A plus A is equal to 2A. So it's a multiple of 2 into some integer for A belongs to Z. 2A is an even integer. Hence for any integer A belongs to Z, we can say that 2A is an even integer, and hence we can say this is reflexive. And coming to the symmetric, suppose if A comma B belongs to R, so which implies that A plus B is an even integer. So even integer means it's a multiple of 2. So let us take 2 into some k where k belongs to the integer. So if A plus B is equal to 2k, which also implies B plus A is equal to 2k, then we can say that B comma A is also is an even integer. So that we can say B comma A belongs to real relation here R, and hence we can say this is symmetric. So if A comma B belongs to R, then also B comma A belongs to R. So this is symmetric. And next, transitive. Let's consider A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R. So which implies that if A comma B belongs to R, A plus B is an even integer, say 2k1 for k1 belongs to integer, and also we can say B plus C is equal to 2k2 for k2 is an integer. Then if I can add these both, A plus 2B plus C is equal to 2 times of k1 plus k2. So this can also be written A plus C is equal to 2 times of k1 plus k2, and this 2b will come here minus b. So it is also an even integer, which means that A plus C is an even integer, means we can say A comma C also belongs to the relation R. For A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, A comma B belongs to R and B comma C belongs to R, we are getting A comma C belongs to relation R, and hence we can say this is transitive. Okay, and in the same manner, if I can continue with, instead of addition and subtraction also, we can just mention that A minus B is a second point. A is related to B if and only if A minus B is an even integer. This is also equivalence relation you'll get. And in the case of third and let us see fourth case first. And in the case of fourth one, A is equal to B means the relation which contains, it is an identity relation only. And since we know that every identity relation is an equivalence relation, so first option is in equivalence relation, second option also equivalence relation, and fourth option also equivalence relation. And coming to the third option, if we can see very clearly, if A less than B, every number cannot be less than itself. A cannot be less than A for every A belongs to integer. So it means it is not reflexive. Coming to the option C here, for every A belongs to Z, A cannot be less than A, which means that A comma A does not belongs to the relation, which is not reflexive. And even symmetric also, it is not possible. If A less than B, then we cannot say B less than A. Like 2 is less than 3, but 3 is cannot less than 2, no? So 2 comma 3 belongs to R, but 3 comma 2 does not belongs to R. It is not a symmetric, and hence we can say this is not an equivalence relation. So we can just confirm that which of the following is not an equivalence relation, means A less than third option.